Good morning, BCom students. Okay, one more important topic operators in C language. Okay, so already we have seen tokens, C tokens. C tokens is very, very important. That is variables, constants, identifiers. Okay, so operators, right? So there are 8 types of operators. Already in C tokens we have the definition of operators. Operator definition C tokens లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. బట్ హియర్ దిస్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ సపరేట్. లాస్ట్ సిలబస్లో లాస్ట్లో ఉంది చూడండి, అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్, రిలేషనల్ ఆపరేటర్, లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, సో ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ 2 or 3 టాపిక్స్ టు ఫినిష్ అప్ ద ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్. ఓకే, డేటా టైప్స్, వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ ప్రీ ప్రాసెసర్స్ మూడు చెప్తే విల్ ఫినిష్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్. Right, first of all, operator means what? Operator is a right symbol which is used to perform the right operation. Okay, like mathematical operation or any other operation. Okay, so for example, let us take the sample programs. Okay, there we are using, for example, first sum of two given numbers program. Sum of two given numbers program. Okay, I am writing like this. For example, int x comma y. Okay, x equal to 5, like mass you think of. Y equal to 4, int x comma y. Okay, తర్వాత percentage d. Okay, for example we are writing x plus y. మీకు డేటా టైప్స్ చెప్పినాక చెప్తా పర్సంటేజ్ డి క్యారెక్టర్స్, పర్సంటేజ్ డి పర్సెంట్. సో లెట్ us think int is a keyword, okay, which is asking to declare x comma y two variables. X is storing 5, y equal to 4. I'm asking printf x plus y print చేయమండి. x plus y 5 plus 4 ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేయాలి? హౌ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ప్రింటెడ్? ఇట్ షుడ్ బి లైక్ డెసిమల్ ఇంటీజర్. d means decimal integer, so print x plus y as a decimal value. So d stands for percentage d, percentage f, percentage c, percentage s. 4 characters will be there. They are called format specifiers. Okay, later I will discuss format specifiers. I am going for execute menu, compile and run. Let us save the program. Okay, dem for example. Okay, again I have to save. It is saved as C++. So C source file. C source files, save. Now execute menu, compile and run. Okay, 0 warning, 0 errors, and we are getting the answer 9. Let us see, the answer will be 9 for x. So here you could see 9. Right, so plus operator. In the same place I am going to write minus. Okay, so what are plus and minus? Plus and minus are the symbols which are used to perform the operation. So now I am getting the answer 1. So previous it was 9, the answer, now it is 1. So like in the program we could do mathematical and other operations. So to write the programs we require symbols. Those symbols are called operators. So operators are a symbol that tells the compiler to perform certain mathematical or logical or comparison, okay, operation. Mathematical means what? Addition, subtraction, okay, multiplication, division. These are the 4 basic operations. Again we may have, right, comparison, greatest of two numbers, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, like that. Okay, logical and, so two conditions, a is greater than b and a is greater than c. Okay, color is red, if the color is red and if the color is blue, so like we will be checking for logical combination also. So operators are used to programs to manipulate data and variables. Ekkada vaadtaru in the same example just now I discussed, x y are called variables. Okay, variable topic kaale manaki, so we'll discuss what is variables also, what is data type also. Okay, two topics are remaining, data types, variables. After this section, after these two topics you are able to write the programs of your own after data types and variables. Rendu unnai inka cheptaru. So x plus y, so the x plus y are x equal to 5, y equal to 4 is the data, and the variables x y are the variables in the program. Int is the data type here. Okay, whatever int I am writing here, it is the data type. X y are called as the variables. Okay, this is called format specifier. Okay, I will discuss format specifiers also chepta nenu, don't worry. Okay, let us come back to the operators. Okay, మీకు దీంట్లో మొత్తం ఉంది. So there are 8 types of operators. Okay, so here increment and decrement add lastly, it is missing, add here. First, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical, bitwise, assignment, conditional, special operators, and increment and decrement operators. Okay, before going for different types of operators, so 8 types of operators will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, you should add after special operators increment and decrement operators. So operators may be used with single variable or multiple variable. Okay, so that's what here this diagram indicates. First, operators can be of 3 types. Mathematics students, you can easily understand. For example, unary, or in 10th or 9th maths you may be calling, you may be used unary operator, binary, ternary. Okay, so no problem. Unary means single. So some operators can be used with a single variable, single at entity is required. For example, x plus plus, x minus minus, x minus, x plus. Okay, and special operator also maybe comes under unary. So increment, decrement operators and special operator comes under unary. Ante you could use on single entities, single variables. Okay, x plus plus, we could use x minus minus, x is the single variable. Okay, the operators which are used on a single entity, single operand or single variable are called unary. Binary, two operators, x plus y, here x plus plus, here x plus y, arithmetic operators. Binary operators, binary operator we have relational, arithmetic, logical, assignment, bitwise operators. Okay, next ternary operators, we require 3 variables. So one variable like maths or science. Binary, 2 variables require compulsory. Here only one variable require, one value, 2 values, 3 values, or 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable. Okay, so like unary, binary we could classify, and the other classification like this. Okay, if you know it, draw the diagram or leave the diagram if you are getting confusion. Okay, unary means single entities. అంటే ఒకరే సోలో సాంగ్ అంటాం కదా, సోలో సాంగ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వన్ విల్ ఆపరేట్, సోలో డ్యాన్స్. ఓకే, గ్రూప్ 2 or more people can participate. ఓకే, లేదా డ్యూయట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, 2 has to perform. Solo song for example డ్యూయట్. ఓకే, group song or group dance, duet dance. Okay, so like that you can understand. So different operators, arithmetic operators, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, conditional, special operators, and finally you add right here increment and decrement operators also. Okay, it is missed there in the printing. Okay, first of all arithmetic operators. Okay, so since from 10th class or school life we know what are the operators: addition, subtraction. Okay, So if a plus b are the variables, if a equals 10, b equal 20, then we can use them like in the program. Plus, minus, star here we should use for multiplication, star, division symbol, forward slash, okay, question mark lo untadi keyboard. Next, modulus operator will give the remainder, not quotient. Modulus operator will return the integer division. There is no fraction part, not 1, no 1.5, and we will have the remainder. Okay, so 3 divides 4, for example. So 3 1s are 3, for example, get the right remainder 1. Okay, 4 divided by 3. When modulus is used, you will get the remainder 1. Okay, 4 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, so we'll get 1 as the remainder. Okay, so arithmetic operators will give the value like this: plus addition value, minus value. So like this we could use in the program. I used x plus y in the example, x plus y, x minus y, or you can use a b are the variables. Variables means input values we could store in the variables. Variables are the locations where input values are stored. Like I have to show my xy program. So here xy are called, I said, this is data type, integer type, and this is xy. X I am going to store 5. So which type of variable it is? Integer type. So xy are called, xy actually they are identifiers according to C tokens, user given names, and they are of integer type. They will hold integer type values. And xy may be also called as variables. They are identifiers of variable type. Variable identifiers they are. Okay, so ikkada em vaadam, ikkada a plus b. You can use x plus y also, x minus y. Okay, relational operators, comparison of two operators, whether first one is greater than or second one is greater than, or like this we could use less than, greater than, double equal to, whether both are same. Okay, not equal to, you know what is not equal to. Again, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, it is there in mathematics. Okay, so whether the left operator is less than or equal, two conditions here single conditions: equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to. In math we will have like this. Next, logical operators, third one. Okay, logical means and, both a and b should be true here. So these operators are called logical and, logical or, logical not. Okay, so we have conjunction and disjunction in mathematics. Once you recall conjunction and disjunction in mathematics, okay, predicate calculus lo vastadi. Okay, or algebra lo will have conjunction, disjunction. Okay, so v like symbol, a like symbol, conjunction, disjunction. And if a is greater than b and a is greater than b, if the day of the week is Sunday, and if the day of the week is, okay, if the day of the week is Sunday and the date is 20, okay, for example, you have to pay the car, you have to do something, for example. Okay, if it is raining, for example, we'll go in the car. Okay, if it is raining, we'll go in the car, single condition. Okay, if it is raining and it is very long, so two conditions: if it is raining and if it is long, వర్షం పడుతుంది, దూరం వెళ్ళాలి, then what is the option to travel? We'll go with car. If it is not raining and it is short distance, then we'll go with the bike. So like multiple conditions, a final value will be. Okay, so if you are absent for the practical and as well as theory, okay, you will not be promoted. So like this, single condition, you are present at the exam, okay, so you will be fail or pass. Like, so we'll get to true or false for condition. So two or more conditions may be joined, like and, or, no. And finally in English also we'll have phrases: and phrase, or phrase, not phrase. So same similarity will be there with variables: and, more than two, or, okay, not. Reverse, false means true, true means false. So more we'll discuss in the programs. Bitwise operators I will discuss last. Okay, bitwise means, okay, right, Next, assignment. So putting the value, as I said, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, or here this is assignment, x equal to 5, y equal to 4. Okay, putting some value into the variables, giving the value is called assignment. So is equal to is called assignment operators. And we have shorthand assignment also. Okay, so a plus equal to b, if the expression is a equal to a plus b, you could write, you can place the plus before the a. So same for minus, same for other operators also. Arithmetic operators, plus, minus, star, divide by, and modulus can be used before the operator in certain situations, like a equal to a star b. Only in this situation, a equal to a by b, a equal to a modulus b, that time we could use like this, a, place the operator before the equal symbol. This is called shorthand assignment. Next, conditional operator may be used with 3 operators. It is used to check the condition and get the final answer. So for example, enter a number. For example, I will give 2. 2 means whether it is positive or negative. 2 means positive. If I am giving minus 2, that time it will be checking the condition that the given number is greater than or equal to 0. It may be negative or positive. Okay, so like this, 3 variables will be required, and so here 2 operators, question mark and colon, are called as ternary operators. Okay, more will discuss in the future regarding the operators. So expression 1, question mark and colon are called right conditional operators. Okay, and the conditional operators, then one second. Increment and decrement operators. Okay, increment means increase in the value of a variable by unit 1. Okay, for example, you will be giving 1 grace mark. You have 9 marks. There is a mistake in the question paper, you will get 1 mark. So you got 9. 9 plus 1, 10 you will get. Your friend got 10. 1 mark will be assigned. So 11 plus 1 plus 1. So here also x equal to x plus 1. X value 10. 10 plus 1, 11 will be added. So x equal to, no, it will be 11. So increment operator plus adds 1 to its operand, and the decrement operator will remove some value, minus x equal to x equal 10, x equal x minus 1. Okay, so same thing will be written as x plus plus, up box, down box, x equal x minus 1 can be written as shorthand x minus minus. Okay, so minus minus means decreasing the value of the variable by 1, incrementing. Okay, so every time 1 value will be incremented. So arithmetic, relational, logical, okay, ternary, increment, decrement. Okay, next, bitwise operators. Bitwise means individual bits. So everything will be taken as binary format in some programs. Bitwise operator perform manipulate data bit level. So the data will be given as will be converted zeros and ones in some programs. There we could use these operators. Only single and single or and left shift, right shift. Okay, so here some examples are given. If you understand, you can follow or remove the data. A and B. So 0 and 0 will be added, will get 0. 0 plus 1 in binary will get 0. 1 plus 0 also will get 0. 1 will get 1. Okay, so these are called binary operations. These are used by the compiler. Okay, bitwise and bitwise, or there are certain operations. Okay, so there it will be used. Okay, I think in first year you learned hexadecimal, decimal conversions. Okay, so like here compiler may use some bitwise operations. The user also can add the data, can accept the data in zeros and ones format, and can use the operators. Okay, I repeat, input should be in zeros and one format, not 4, 5, AB. Okay, so if the data input is like 0s and 1 format, so you could use AND or on the bitwise operators. For example, A is 0, B is 0 input data. Okay, A and B will be give 0. A and B, A by B will give. Okay, so bitwise operators and shifting operators will be used on the bitwise operators. Okay, so basic learners, okay, you can leave the bitwise operators. Okay, we don't use anywhere bitwise operators. Remaining we will be using arithmetic, relational, assignment, conditional, special operators. Okay, so what are the special operators? For example, star, okay, and at the rate, size, these are the special operators. So size of operator and the size of the variable, how much memory is given to the particular variable in the program. For example, x, so integer 2 bytes, float 4 bytes. Okay, that it will be written the size of the variable, memory size. Address operator, return of the variable. So where the address, where the data x equal to 5, for example, I have given the program. So what is the address of the variable? So memory address will be there, memory size, memory address. Okay, and pointer is also referred to the pointer variables. Okay, this address operator, star operator will discuss a topic called pointers in second unit or third unit. Okay, but there are three special operators: size of operator, star, and at the rate, and ampersand, and. Okay, so more will discuss regarding these three in a pointers topic. Okay, so 8 types of operators are finished. Okay, so it is essay question, operators. So along with the 7 you should write increment and decrement operators. Okay, if the notes is lengthy, okay, let it shortified. Okay, short చేసుకోండి operators. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, like this we could do. Okay, so in programs we will be using the operators tone programs రాస్తాం ఫ్యూచర్ లో సెకండ్, థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్, ఫిఫ్త్ యూనిట్. Okay, so operators are the symbol. There are 8 types of operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, conditional, special, and increment, decrement operators. Okay, right. Bitwise operators, don't get confused. Individual bits data should be input in the form of zeros and ones. There certain operations are there. Okay, so on these operations we could write. So before that we should know the binary system. What is binary and, binary odd, binary not. Okay, ones complement, twos complement, కొన్ని టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవి రావాలి ఫస్ట్, యూ షుడ్ నో. దెన్ యూ కుడ్ యూజ్ ద బిట్వైజ్ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఓకే, so here definition only, bitwise operators used on individual bits with certain operations. Okay, so hope you understand, right? Thank you.